As you guys can see, the MR2 behind me is the one that I wrapped in chrome blue. Now it's no longer blue, it is lavender or light pink. And apparently what happened was that the customer ordered from Vvivid, it says the backing paper says Vvivid expo on it, which is apparently their old line. And they said to him that he should have ordered the one that's UV protective, and that this one is not UV protective, and he had to go get it, get that UV protective coat put on by somebody. Anyway, so it faded within a week, and they're not giving him a different roll or the money back. First off, why would you even sell a roll of non-UV protective?
Here we have the car. It's still blue down there on the bottom, but look at what happened. The sun has faded this chrome blue wrap into a nice pink lavender color. Even down here, so you notice that this side, the sun rises from over there and then sets over there. So this side naturally gets more sun because it's facing the sunrise side, and it has faded to, it's still chrome looking. It's kind of nice, but this is not what the customer wanted, and it is almost white. So the areas that's directly facing the top of the sun, or you know, where like where noon is really white. So in time this will turn into just straight up chrome. But that's not the look that you want, because it's not gonna all be straight up chrome. It's gonna be like shades of pink and blue and all that stuff. Now this isn't supposed to happen for at least, it's not supposed to fade for at least a year. I'm not sure how long chrome lasts, but normally it's about a year before you start to see some fade, and then over a couple years it will fade to a straight up chrome. All right, so I'm no longer gonna ever use Vvivid XPO. As you can see here, I ordered a new roll of Tech Wrap Blue Chrome Satin, and I'm gonna have to rewrap this car this week. Apparently the good brand for Vvivid is Premium Plus now, so anything that says XPO is old. Don't buy it, don't use it. If you see it on Amazon, don't get it. Said that this chrome doesn't look too bad even though it's faded, but look at that, it's 100% chrome almost in a week, so you can't even tell it even used to be blue. Yeah, that's not what the guy wants that owns this car. So he wants a blue, and this is a blue chrome matte from Tech Wrap. Look at that nice finish. Now, pretty sure that Tech Wrap won't fade on me, because the stuff that I have on my car is also Tech Wrap, and it's sat outside all summer and it's fine. And since this is also a matte, it doesn't fade as quickly either, so that looks really good there. Can't wait to do the rest of the car.